Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The song for today is We Have Heard a Joyful Sound. We have heard a joyful sound. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Spread the gladness all around. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Bear the news to every land. Climb the steeps and cross the waves. On what is our Lord's command. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Waft it on the rolling tide. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Tell to sea, sinners far and wide. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Sing ye islands of the sea. Echo back ye ocean caves. Earth shall keep a jubilee. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Sing about the battle strife. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. By his death and endless life. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Sing it softly through the gloom. When the heart of mercy craves, sing in triumph of the tomb. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Give the winds a mighty voice. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Let the nations now rejoice. Jesus saves, Jesus saves. Shout salvation full and free. Highest hills and deepest caves. This our song of victory. Jesus saves, Jesus saves.